Delphine Nishimwe. I appreciate this opportunity of volunteering because it is an opportunity for the graduates, for them earning an experience they need to pursue their profession. And I think it also equips them with the skills, the more skills they need to pursue their professions, especially with the volunteering, which have different departments. And I also enjoyed the part of mind education because it unlocked personally the other things I didn't know that I need to have for the success of my life or in my profession.
My name is Jean-Pierre Kayibezi. I am a student from University of Rwanda, College of Science and Technology, and I am in my 5th year. I really appreciate it for this orientation of youth volunteers in international youth fellowships. It's a great pressure for us as a youth to join this amazing opportunity in our country, simply because it helps us to figure out our missions in the future, to follow our careers, to how we can be with our minds. Actually, day by day, once we attend this training, we keep growing our mind, give us the hope of the life, simply because nowadays in our country, youth have no confidence of the future. So I hope that during this followership or this volunteers activity, it's going to help us to know how we can control ourselves, how can reach our purpose, how we can work with other youth, how we can increase the experience of work. And I think that it is an amazing opportunity to us. Yeah, thank you.